lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a Yayoge unboxing video, and I already opened the box and I just repackaged it back. I was so excited to receive a package from Yayoge that I could not wait to open it. So I opened it, repackaged it, and now I'm recording. So the first thing that I got was a stamping plate, and it was mostly Halloween theme. I did get this after Halloween, so I do have a stamping plate ready for next Halloween. So I also got 8 glitter gel polishes, which I will be swatching for you guys shortly. So it came with their new glitter gel polishes, instructions, and this is a slip solution. So I think it's about a 2-ounce bottle, 45 milliliters, maybe that's 2 ounces. I also got a top and a base coat. And to go back to the stamping plate, I got this cute little stamper and a scraper. So I don't stamp very often, but I'll play with it a little bit and see how it goes. I also got 3 stamping polishes. I got a red, a white, and a black. So I will be playing with those. I do have some stamping plates, but I don't have any stamping polishes. So maybe I'll play with the stamping polishes with some of my other plates. And then I also got some dual forms. The last thing that I got in this box was liquid latex. And I think this is the stuff that goes around your nails, like on your skin, so that you can just peel off whatever polish that you got on the skin. So that is what Yayoge sent me. So what I'm gonna do is just swatch the glitter polygel for you in this video, and then I will come back and show you some designs in another video. So the first thing that I noticed, I was a little confused. This base coat is extremely thick. So I don't know if this is a rubber base coat. The top coat was thick as well. I did use this base coat for this video, but I ended up not using that top coat. So I don't know if this is a rubber base coat. It doesn't say on the bottle. So I don't know. The base coat did work fine. I did do the layer as thin as I could possibly get it, and then I did cure it for 60 seconds. So as you guys all know, I do base coat and top coat my swatch sticks. So the first color is 01, and it's like a milky white polygel with like a fine iridescent glitter. This is so freaking pretty. I love this polygel. So real quick about Yayoge's polygels. They are not sticky. However, they are a little bit firm. The brush that I'm using, the polygel brush that I'm using McCart's polygel brush. And for some reason, that brush works great with the firmer polygels. So I am using the slip solution as well with this polygel. Before I have used alcohol with Yayoge's polygel, and they both work just fine. So I don't have a preference over their slip solution or the alcohol. They both work fine. So if you don't have the slip solution, just use the isopropyl alcohol. Anyways, this is color 02, and this is a clear polygel with a silver holographic glitter. And they packed a lot of glitter in this polygel. It kind of gives the impression that the polygel is a different color, but it's not. It's the glitter added to the polygel. But these, I don't want to say it's pigmented because it's not a color. I don't really know how to describe it, but there's a lot of glitter in these polygels. So it's not like just little specks of glitter. It's what is the word? Not pigmented. Oh my god, I can't think of the word. It'll come to me later. So this color is 03 or 3. It's a clear polygel with a pink glitter, and on camera it kind of looks a little bit like rose gold, but in person it's more of a pink than a rose gold, but it's a really, really pretty pink. Not like a light baby pink or anything like that, but this is a really pretty pink. So yes, it does show up a little bit more rose goldy on camera. And again, this polygel is firm, it's easy to work with, and I've used Yayoge a lot, so I'm not getting a difference in firmness from this glitter polygel than their regular polygels. So the consistency is still the same even with the glitter. So this color 4, this is a clear polygel, but it has the red glitter added. So color 05 is gold. So this is not a really yellow gold. It's more of a tannish gold. So it's not the real yellow gold. It's really, actually this color is really pretty too. Like with all the glitters, like these things, I really still can't think of the word for pigmented, concentrated. I don't know. There's whatever. There's a lot of glitter in this. If you guys know what word I'm trying to say, leave it in the comments below. But so yeah, you could see here, this is not a yellow, a real yellow gold, more like an antique gold. So color 06, this is another clear, but it has the purple glitters added. And the reason I keep emphasizing on clear is because this is not going to be 100% opaque. You're going to have some sheer spots in it. So the sheer spots in this glitter would be the clear. So you can see this one, the purple one, isn't as pigmented as the other ones, but I think this would be pretty, like if you did this glitter, like if you had like a color changing polygel, you did a thin layer of that and then you did this one on top, I think that would be really pretty. And Yayoge also has some really pretty pigmented color changing polygels as well. Color 07, this is a royal blue. Again, the clear with the royal blue added. So you can find all of these products on Yayoge's website, and I will leave that link down below. Also, if you are going to the website to purchase, you can use my code for 10% off, and that code is LOVED10. So loved by Verdi Nails, loved. So again, the code is LOVED10, and that is in the description box below as well. The last color that we have, it's like a translucent pink polygel with some holographic glitter in it, and that one's really pretty as well. So for the first one was like of a milky white polygel, and this one is a translucent pink, but all the other ones were clear. I really like these colors. I didn't think there would be as much glitter in these polygels as there is. I was concerned about the consistency, but it's the same consistency as their regular polygels. So I'm definitely going to come with some designs for you ladies. I've actually been practicing a lot on my nail art. I do believe that for the most part, I've gotten a lot better with my shaping. So now I want to play with a little bit more nail art. So I will be coming back to you guys with some Yayoge glitter polygel videos. And yeah, I do like to stretch my videos out. I like to give my initial thoughts on things, and then I like to actually use it, and then do another video, give another follow-up video. So I hope you guys do kind of like that format. So definitely, if you're watching this video now, look back within the next couple weeks for more Yayoge glitter polygel design videos. And also on my Instagram, I'm going to start posting more of my nail art on my Instagram, so check that out. And Definitely let me know what you think. So here is where I decided not to use that top coat because it's extremely thick. Again, I don't know if it's like a rubber top coat as well. So I just went in with a different Yayoge top coat that I have. Also, I do have some videos testing top coat compatibility with other polishes. I will leave that linked at the end of this video. I will leave that on the end screen for you guys. So the last thing I really wanted to mention too is my 500 subscriber giveaway is still open. I think I'm about 20 something away from 500 subscribers. So if you haven't already entered that giveaway, please definitely check out that video. That will be on the end screen as well. Or you can just go to my YouTube channel and search my page for my 500 subscriber giveaway. That's the title of the video. So that is still open. Check that video out, and then I will definitely be picking a winner. Hopefully this weekend I'll hit the 500 subscribers so I can pick a winner and get you guys your gift in the mail. Leave me any comments down below what you think of this Polygel, what you think of Yayoge's products. Yeah, and I think that is about it. So I'm running through the colors again for you guys, and then there'll be a picture of all the things that I got that Yayoge sent to me, and again some pictures of all the swatches. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate so much everyone that takes their time to leave comments. I appreciate you guys spending your time with me, so definitely like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will be back on Sunday for another video. Thank you guys.